lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Oh, nope.
Just use the whole can.
Great. That was a lot. Oh shit. You see I'm doing something, son?
Look at the mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's mine. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her.
Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome to the Lovelyy Gang, period. And if you are returning, welcome back. Today we are cleaning my bedroom, which is the master bedroom, and we're cleaning the bathroom, which is the master bathroom. I basically have a lot of organizing to do. So yeah, and there's like a couple of things that I got from Amazon that I'm basically showing you guys, and showing you guys how I use all the items that I bought from Amazon for my apartment. So yeah, if you're interested in cleaning, organizing, motivation video, this video is for you. Or if you just want to see me clean, that's perfectly fine with me. So yes, let's get right to it.
Hey, Puma hanging on my neck, the bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar, stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate, she wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec, Cherie, où est mon bec? They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set, you know I gotta bring the G block, you know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get, hey. 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 She want me to play with that cat, hey. She love how I make it on wet, hey. You know how sticky it get, hey. Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid, and free big slime out the cage, and shorty try to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed, cause every song that I made was ringing like I got engaged. I love my guys, I wouldn't trade, hey. From the cradle to the grave, hey. Gordo got me on a wave, and got me on a wave. Couple of hits, now you brave, wait. You niggas better behave, what? All that pumping up your chest, what? All that talk about the best, what? You know how sticky it gets. Yeah. If I'm with 2 of them, then it's a threesome. If she alone, you know she a freak one. If it's an escort, it's a police one. King of the hill, you know it's a steep one. If we together, you know it's a brief one. Back in the ocean, you know it's a deep one. Forgave niggas and they feelings. Lucky for y'all, we don't do civilians. You say I changed, I say that I millions. I did. The toughest act that follows back on tour. Off-road, made back, Pyrex, trap, Virgil came back through the boy. Damn. That's something to me, niggas really had they back turned to me. I ain't talking my assistant when I say niggas down to pack something for me. Then they thought they had a trap set for me. How you really think that went for me? Niggas gotta do a fact check for me.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That already never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Well, fuck what they talking about on your timeline.
I just used the whole can. Great. Woo, shoot. I love my shower head. Just so you guys know, the shower head, can you guys see the shower head? Okay. This shower head with this attachment And it goes like that. It did not come with my shower. It did not come with my apartment. I bought it off of Amazon. I'm obsessed with it. And look, you could easily clean your shower. You clean the shower first, so if the floor get wet, it's okay because we still got a mop. Wait this down. Okay, so I'm gonna spray my toilet down with some all-purpose spray outside everywhere, and this is what I'm using. My toilet is deep. That was a lot. And then I'm gonna go in with the bathroom cleaner from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna spray it all around as well. If you guys have like certain cleaning products that you guys like absolutely love, comment down below and give me some products that I should be using. Yeah. And then I'm gonna let that toilet sit. While I let the toilet sit, we're going to move on to the countertop. I already took everything off like this, like this.
Feeling young, but he treat me like the OG. And he want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, they control me. One of those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. In the dirt that they do on my name, turn to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, then I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think they're feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be or couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security.
so much. I don't know if I'm gonna use this on my natural hair. To be honest, I don't know, but I see a lot of people using it on their natural hair. But I really bought it for like my wigs and my extensions. So I don't be using my good stuff, you know, my black owned stuff. So I got Aussie shampoo with avocado and jojoba oil, shampoo and a conditioner. So I got this for my wigs, like I said. This is my little hair tool, little thing. I'll have like certain stuff like linked in the description. If you guys are interested in that, I bought me some feminine hygiene, so I'm gonna stop and put about that. Oh shit. One thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some stuff work. I'm gonna organize really good. Like, it might look like it's not gonna fit, but just give me a couple minutes. Like, just give me some time. I will make it work. Every time. Okay, so this is trash. Next we have some extra toothpaste. So the beginning of this week, I had already planned on doing, you know, a good spring plan, like a deep plan, you know. Today is Friday, and I'm in my room, in the bathroom. Tomorrow, tackle the boys' room and the kitchen. And then on Sunday, we'll tackle the laundry room. So these are my extra toothpastes right here. Y'all, I'll be stocking up on shit. Like, I don't play. I don't. One thing, we're not about to run out of nothing we need. For sure. We're not doing that. But yeah, so today's Friday, and yeah, that's what we're doing. We organizing and deep cleaning. I need to organize this sink under the cabinets and the cabinet. Okay, so this small cart and this bigger, wider one came in a set. Just wanna let y'all know. So when y'all see it in the description box, yeah, it's a set. But I had this one by my toilet, by the shower, because we have our reachable items on here. But this is originally supposed to go in the boys' room, so I can have like their stuff up on here neatly or whatever. So I'm gonna take this to the boys' room, but for our stuff to be in the shower, I'm gonna put a shower caddies, because over there on the side of the bathroom, I'm gonna put up our shower caddies because that's where we're gonna sit our body wash in the shower. I'll link this in the description box as well. It comes with the adhesive little hooks to stick on the bathroom wall. So it comes with 2 big ones and 2 bar soap ones. And then on the side of the, I want to come with one of these too. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, which I believe is a great deal. And then it comes with like stuff on the side, so you can put like your razor, your washcloth, or whatever you want, your extra stuff. So we're gonna put that in the shower so we can organize our stuff. Now, before I do that, I'm just going to take our stuff off this so I can transfer this to the boys' bathroom. So these are my bar soaps. This is where I put our extra, you know, body care stuff up here. That's what this is for. And this also, I got this off of Amazon for $99, y'all. $99. Like, this is, yeah. And then at the bottom, like, cause I don't have a linen closet. Like, I do, but I don't. Like, my linen closet is literally like a closet where you hang up stuff, and then a little rack at the top. Like, it's not
like racks in there to where I could put like, you know, the towels and stuff. So I have bought this off of Amazon so I can organize everything. Got my perfumes, got my jewelry, got my makeup bag, got my body sprays right here. And then I have my little sunglasses in here. And then our extra body care because the things that I need, like I said, the things that I need, I go over, not overboard, I would say, but we get a good amount of stuff that we use on a day-to-day basis. Like, I don't want to always go to the store every month to get body care. I don't want to always go to the store to get things that I know I'm going to use all the time and I'm always going to need, you know? So I just stock up on things like that for like 3 months. So for 3 months, we don't have to worry about none of that, you know? Anyway, so these bins right here I got from Dollar Tree. This one I use for our hand towels, or face towels, or body towels, face towels, whatever. Wash up with those, and then I stack up I gotta wash the towels, okay. But this is where I put our towels. Right here, so that's why I got it really, and then up here, like this bin, I have my wig supply stuff. This bin is for hair wash day. And then this bin, I keep our exfoliating gloves in this right here. So quick and easy to grab, ready to go. And then I put my hair stuff on the side right here. Yeah, y'all. This is my bathroom. I love my bathroom. I can't wait to put these shower patties up. So let me go transfer this to the boys. Actually, let me put these lashes in this makeup bag because I don't like it just sitting out there like that. It kind of looks tacky. Right here, huh?
I'm making a change
to make sure it's even.